If I could only have one camera for the rest of my life, this camera would be it. The Fujifilm X100V is small, it's versatile, it's beautifully designed, and it inspires me to photograph every single day. The Fujifilm X100V is the ultimate photographer's camera. It allows you to have all the modern conveniences of a digital mirrorless camera and marries them perfectly with the tactile experience of the analog world. This makes for a fun user experience that rewards you every single time you pick it up and photograph with it. And yes, it's a fixed lens APS-C sensor camera intended to be shot in JPEG. In theory, it seems extremely limited, but in practice, these limitations force you to think more creatively. This camera is not for everyone, but it is designed with a specific someone in mind.
Right here in the heart of New York City.
What green circle?
Like this.
There he is! Down. Push it down.
And then 2
Oh,
green
that's
circles.
cool. Push
Slow.
down. Push the big blockhead down to his face. There we go.
Okay, now.
Put it the other way. Feel on the floor. Potatoes and chicken. Potatoes and chicken.
Say happy Valentine's Day, Mommy.
Oh, happy Valentine's Day, Mommy. Whoa, don't crash the road. Fortune, this is for alien invasion and cracking. A little bit down, too. Favorite meat sandwich is too. Then young mango. I watch this, what I can also do. I can do that low button and it's this. Faster, faster. Yeah, what's that cool idea called? But what's that one? That was different. Monster truck. Okay, I can jump on this car. My wheels. Fibers. Oh shit.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed piecing it all together and sharing my favorite images from my recent travels, my favorite images from my new kind of like journey exploring street photography, and of course, you know, sharing that special piece of my heart, which is my memories with my kids. And I couldn't have made this video without the music. Each song set the tone for the specific act, and the awesome part is that all the songs came from today's video sponsor, Artlist. I've been using Artlist as my royalty-free music platform of choice ever since I started this YouTube channel back in 2018, and they offer over like 22,000 songs and over 27,000 sound effects, and this library is updated daily. And the cool thing is now they offer 2 different subscription tiers. The social creator tier is going to be perfect for those photographers who need music for photography content on YouTube, on Instagram Reels, or on TikTok. And there's also the Creator Pro tier, which is going to be for those who are making kind of like personal content on social media, as well as paid gigs and commercial projects. I really cannot recommend Artlist enough. I've been using them for every single video on this YouTube channel, and similar to how Fujifilm film simulations give you that starting point for an amazing photo, I really feel that Artlist music library really serves as like the starting point for me envisioning the edit, or as well as, you know, the vibe of the shots that I'm going to do to kind of piece the video together. If you sign up for an annual subscription using my link down in the description below, you actually get 2 extra months free. And with that, my name is Reggie Ballesteros. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, consider subscribing for more Fujifilm or photography content. Thanks again for watching, y'all.